After running a poll and discovering that over 37% of our audience falls within the 18-24 age bracket, I figured it was time to create something special lined up for all you teenagers out there. If you're looking to make some extra cash without wasting hours on end, you're in the right place. We're diving into 9 legit ways to put money in your pocket. No surveys, no gimmicks, just real opportunities to earn as long as you put your mind into it. Here's a rundown of the methods I've got for you today. Teach others English, create digital products, sell your old notes and transas, get gigs on Fiverr, learn the ways of drop servicing and drop shipping, sell things you no longer need, earn with affiliate marketing, become a graphic designer. Let's kick things off with our first website called Cambly. Cambly is a cool platform where fluent English speakers can cash in by teaching others the language. It's as simple as hopping on and signing up, and you could be earning up to $10 per hour no matter where you are in the world. It's a flexible gig that puts some extra cash in your pocket without any hassle. So if you think your English speaking skills are pretty great and have the potential to teach, then perhaps Cambly might be right up your alley. Now, let's talk about the next method on our list, creating digital products on Etsy. If this isn't your first video from us, you'll know that we've covered this money-making method quite a few times. Etsy is a goldmine for people selling templates and making bank. Take this Gmail email signature template seller, for example. With over 800 reviews, you can bet they've made a tidy sum. Let's do the math. 800 orders at around $6 each adds up to $4,800. And the best part? Once you've created and listed your template, it's hands-off from there. The orders come in, the template gets sent automatically, and you're raking in passive income. It's such a cool way to make money, and I'm definitely keen to give it a try. The key is to figure out what templates are in demand and tailor your creations accordingly for maximum success. Can you imagine making up to $5,000 just as a teen? On to our third method, Study Pool. If you're not familiar with it, Study Pool is a platform where you can sell your old homework, class notes, study guides, basically anything that can help other students learn. Once you've logged into your account, it's as simple as uploading your documents and waiting for them to be approved. Some top earners have already racked up over $150,000. That's some serious cash. And here's the best part. You can earn around $10 passively every time someone purchases your documents. With millions of students actively browsing the site for study materials, chances are your stuff will get snapped up. So, you upload, get approved, and watch the money roll in. Study Pool is definitely a fantastic opportunity for students to earn some extra cash. Hey, quick heads up, not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Coming in at number 4, we've got gigs on Fiverr. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, not another Fiverr gig thing. I'm tired. But hear me out. Yes, it's competitive out there. But the reason it's tough is because most people just copy what others are doing and hope for the best. Here's the thing. You're no different from anyone else on the platform. So what's the secret sauce? Let me show you. Take this guy, for example. The reason he's got all these orders and reviews, charging premium prices, is because he's different. See that video? That's gold. He's putting himself out there, showcasing his editing chops. If I'm looking for editing services, I'm picking him because he's proving he knows his stuff. So take a leaf out of his book, be unique, add your own flair, do something no one else in your niche is doing, and watch those orders roll in. At number 5, we've got drop servicing. I've introduced drop servicing and drop shipping in my previous videos, but if you're not familiar with the term, let me explain it. Drop servicing is basically when you leverage other people's services and offer them to others at a higher rate, pocketing the difference. Here's how it works. For example, you find someone on Fiverr who designs logos for $3. Now, imagine there's a business in need of a logo. You step in as the middleman and tell the business you'll hook them up with a logo for $10, promising delivery within 24 hours. You then hire the Fiverr designer for $3, get the logo, and deliver it to the business. They pay you $10, netting you a cool $7 profit. Of course, you can scale this up, but remember to keep it ethical. Don't go overboard with the pricing and take advantage of businesses. Keep it fair and everyone wins. Coming in at number 6, we've got dropshipping without Shopify. Now, you might be scratching your head, thinking, no way, how can you do dropshipping without Shopify? Well, let me show you this new method I stumbled upon. Here's the deal. You hop on a platform like Etsy and scout for something like handmade jewelry. Find a product like this one, for example. It's selling for almost $26 with loads of reviews. Screenshot a couple of pics of their product, then upload them onto Facebook Marketplace and list it for a higher price. Let's say $35. When someone bites the bait and buys it on Facebook, you simply turn around, purchase it from Etsy, but ship it directly to their address. Now, you might be raising an eyebrow, thinking it's a bit sketchy or ethically murky, but hey, that's the name of the game with dropshipping. It's essentially free dropshipping. You're not using your own money, just leveraging other people's products to rake in some easy cash. Speaking of Facebook Marketplace, here's our 7th method. If you're someone who's got a bunch of stuff lying around the house, listen up. While eBay used to be my go-to for selling old stuff, I'm switching gears to Facebook Marketplace. Trust me, there's treasure hidden in your own home just waiting to be turned into cash. And here's a pro tip. Scope out Facebook Marketplace or other selling platforms in your country for freebies. Yep, you heard me right. People are giving away stuff for free. Get those items, give them a little clean, maybe spruce it up with a fresh coat of paint, then sell them on Facebook Marketplace for a nice profit. It's a hustle that tons of folks are cashing in on. At number 8, we've got affiliate marketing. Now, I've been preaching about the wonders of affiliate marketing for a while, and for good reason. With platforms like Amazon Associates, you can earn some serious cash just by recommending products to people. Let's say your friend's eyeing that new iPhone on Amazon. You shoot them your affiliate link, they make the purchase, and you've just earned yourself a commission. It's a win-win situation. You can recommend products to anyone in your circle, from family to friends, and pocket some extra cash with each purchase they make. If you want a deep dive into how Amazon Associates works, just hit up Google or YouTube. And hey, if you want me to whip up a video on Amazon Associates, drop a comment below and I'll make it happen. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from, and trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. Finally, rounding out our list at number 9 is graphic design. Let me tell you, graphic design is a killer skill to have. Businesses and influencers are constantly on the hunt for talented graphic designers. So if you've got those creative chops, dive into it. And don't stress if you're not already a pro, you can learn the ropes for free on YouTube. Build up your skills, create an attractive portfolio, maybe offer some freebies to get some reviews under your belt, and then start offering your services. Trust me, the gigs will start rolling in, and as a teenager, you've got plenty of time to hone your craft. So whether it's graphic design, video editing, or any other skill you can pick up without breaking the bank, there's serious money to be made freelancing. From teaching English on Cambly to creating digital products on Etsy, selling old notes on StudyPool, snagging gigs on Fiverr, and mastering drop servicing and drop shipping, there's a method for everyone. You can also cash in by selling items on Facebook Marketplace, diving into affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates, or honing your graphic design skills. With these opportunities, you can put some extra cash in your pocket while honing valuable skills for the future. And if you're part of the TikTok frenzy, make sure to check out our video that shows you how to make $800 weekly by just watching TikToks. The video link is going to be in the description below, so go ahead and give it a watch. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy earning!